Introducing DFT's SCV-R Inline Restrictor check valve, available in 1/2 inch to 2 inch line size in NPT or socket weld ends. It features stainless steel construction and an Inconel X-750 spring and Zeon O-ring body seal for reliable silent closing and non-slam performance. With a precision-lapped disc and seat for tight metal-to-metal shutoff, SCV-R is a restrictor check valve for liquids and gases in higher back pressure applications. The SCV-R check valve is ready to install with threaded ends, offering higher cracking pressures than standard models with silent operation, easy maintenance, and tight shutoff for demanding applications in any orientation. As a note, it is not a substitute for a pressure relief valve. It offers optional body seal weld, and Hastelloy C or Alloy 20 body and seat materials are available. Visit us online at dft-valves.com to view our complete selection of check valves.